Alex Hamos is probably one of the biggest influencers at the moment when it comes to business advice on YouTube and various social media platforms. And he's recently invested into a website called Skool. To put it simply, Skool is a platform that allows you to build a private community area that is essentially like a Facebook group, but you have much more control and flexibility over how you manage and run it. You can also charge for paid access to closed off areas within the community on a monthly subscription, which allows you to generate additional income. Now, I personally have over 750,000 followers across the internet and around 500 million views across the videos that I have made, and I've been selling online courses since around 2020 and 2021, and I've tried out every single platform to find the best one when it comes to hosting these programs, and I personally use Kajabi. Now, Kajabi is probably one of the biggest competitors to Skool, and that's because they are both trying to create the best online community area. Now, Kajabi has a bunch more features that it offers than Skool does, but obviously Kajabi recently purchased and acquired Vibely, one of the biggest competitors to Skool, and now we have Kajabi Communities 2.0 with a bunch of advanced features that really takes it to a whole nother level. And this has left me thinking, should I switch over to something like Skool or stay with Kajabi when it comes to hosting the online community elements of an online platform like this?